Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. So, it is quite cloudy outside. I just want to stay in bed, read a book, drink some nice tea, but has to get on with their day. So, yeah, I'm just going to take you guys through what my day looks like. Not much happening. I'm going to be home all day. So, let's get started. I am about to go work out now, so wish me luck, people. Not really my favorite time of the day, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. If you want that summer body, you gotta work for it. So, catch you guys on the flip side. Ndiqibile uhlamba ndimhle yanibona masiba. A girl is scoon. I'm just really feeling a bit This weather also is not helping, but I can't lie here all day. I still have a bit of pains. I don't know what it is because it's definitely cannot be my period. No. So, and yes, I don't know. It's very frustrating, but again, still have some work to do. And Melbourne Dionega Newashing apparently. So let's get to it. Wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. So I'm just wearing black leggings with a long sleeve black top. So these leggings are from Edgar's, and this white sweater is from Misguided. I bought it on Superbalist, and I'm wearing these cute pink sandals. I love these, so nice, so comfortable. My mom bought these for me. Yeah, this is me. It's time to eat some lunch. Even though I'm not that hungry, I still do want to eat. So I think I'll just make avo on toast, which is really quick and so delicious. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys are loving avocado. I know some people think it's disgusting. I feel sorry for you guys. I really do. It is so nice, especially with some chili flakes and avo. You guys are gonna see. Just watch. Now I'm gonna put some aromat and chili flakes. Aromat, obviously it's for salt, just to taste. I have a salt problem, so don't judge me. And then the chili flakes is just to give it a bit of a kick, bit of a spicy taste, which is really nice. And this is my lunch. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end of the video. I appreciate your support. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Mihle Tukada. Thank you so much for subscribing. My heart warms so much. If you guys would like to subscribe, hit the red button down below. It is free of charge. Also click the bell. It just notifies you of when I upload, which is every single week. I am pushing for twice a week till the end of the year, so wish me luck. I really hope that I can pull through and just deliver great content to you guys. Let me know if you enjoy my vlogs. It wasn't much, I was just chilling at home, but I thought, you know, let me take you guys through my day. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Till next time, may your day be ever flawless as your makeup. If you guys really do enjoy my vlogs, I'm just chilling at home doing nothing, then check out this vlog that I did a few months back